Pati yung layo mo. Walang sabi ko ano yung bugas. Alam nila na walang sabi. Kung ano sila yung dito. Sa type kasi ako dati nung
Charlie, are you okay?
Okay.
Look, Charlie, I know you're so well. I can tell you're lying.
No, I'm not.
Please, Charlie, tell me what's bothering you.
Why are you so concerned? Why are you bossing me around? I told you, there's nothing wrong. What? Is this true?
Medyo pinalabas yun.
That's why I'm here. I want to know everything you're up to. You're making me and your baby worried. Look, Charlie, look at your hand. See that grip? It's like us. If you grip your hand